So I want to check the issue about the overpage. Okay, for the first time, I access the admission form, and after I complete the admission form, I want to check for there is several issue in the overpage. Okay, and then I want to check also in here school name in the form follow-up table. After that, I also check about the students program in the form follow-up. Okay, okay. This is a condition of the finance for the student had 20% of the class coverage to pay. FS1 is 40%, and FS2 also 40%. Okay, so when I check the school contract, is the same like the scholarship that I selected. Then after this, I want to pay all the term and billing and the form follow up. Okay, so let me check in the student finance. Make sure that the billing and term already generated, so I can pay GP, billing, and term. If I want to try check also, yeah, okay. Um, okay. Then after I check, already good. After this, I want to pay the term, DP, and after I pay the complement and billing letter, this is already good. It is status already good for the student. FS1 and FS2 still display already good up to date. From here, I check the admission for FFE to make sure the status is registered. Okay, the status registered, yeah. And then I want to try transfer to another program with the school MOPA or less. Wait, let me check in the form follow up. Are using the transfer program? I think this template. Okay, this is the student. I confirm there is no student with your login data because I now transfer program yet. Then click transfer to school mobile. Unless one cinema the animation none. I select initial permission because I want to check finance in the new program. Harris Mac. I select classic with the right type is internal and due date is 27. It is after I click validate. And here MOPA RLS 1. After I click validate, the status of student should change from registered to the transfer in progress. But here, then check from here to make sure the student already work. Okay, select Unita MOPA. Step still is not done yet with the school is the same market I selected, and MOPA I Cinema Animation with the status student transfer in progress. Okay, okay. Then so yes, in the school name is already populated. It's already populated. Then student program in the form follow up is already changed to the new one. The student has entered the form follow up table or the booklet in the new program of the student. Okay, so my focusing is in the overpaid issue, yeah, now the overpaid issue, because in the form follow up, the school name already populates, program also here, MOPA LL1 Cinema Animation. Okay, okay, here I want to access the transfer program form notification. Okay, okay. So yeah, waiting me to the complete the transfer program form in here. Okay, so this is a condition scholarship fee in the new program, yeah. With the down payment is already paid, and the is term is already paid also with the generate line overpaid. Okay, I want to try see here. Okay, so next page button for the it and this check on here. I check the want to fit. It's also the same like the total of the scholarship fee, registration fee, and modality fee. Okay. Okay, then try to check in the PDF and I compare. Okay. Some like summary step. I click the button. After I complete the transfer program form, I go to the student finance. The problem is the total amount still displayed the total amount previous program remaining should be plotted minus overpaid amount. Okay. Let me check. Okay, for the first one, I want to compare with the same data I selected with um for it, generate poem, then a for 25. Let me check when I compare scholarship fee 24-25 MOPA. It's like the same up here. Then we'll try to check in the finance status. Finance status. Okay, it's to compare in the view. Says look, want to repeat. It's the total amount. Yellow bell. Okay, then yellow intro. Okay, it's already put. It's the same right here. And this is amount paid. Amount paid. Okay. So after this, we want to try calculate some remaining. Check, check. Let me calculate for another. Also the same right here. Okay. Now think this way is very good. So after here, to check also in the student unbalanced table with the amount of the bit total. Uh, I check this student and I open the finance student unbalanced account. This there is one of debit, one of debit step here. credit, okay, and balance, okay, and with the transfer and the program status also already checked to the register. So let me try to check solder foyer, right? Then okay, okay, I think with the price check the commentaries. 24, 25, 35, all the data, and I want to check for the last time in the form follow up there. Form follow up access still display MOPA with the all step is status step is okay. It's already okay. Let me check in the file box summary. Okay, it's already good. Okay.